Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of my first YouTube channel. I'm super excited to get started with the journey. For this first video, I decided to keep a React.js part 1 tutorial for you all. So let's get started without wasting any more time. Okay. So first of all, we need to know what exactly React.js is. So basically, React is an open source JavaScript library. It's not a framework. Okay. So this JavaScript library is very helpful to build UI. Okay. So it has been created by Facebook, and it is also maintained by Facebook. And remember that React is basically responsible to change what needs to be changed. So it finds out what changes have occurred or what has been updated. It will change only the part that is needed to be changed. And React is component based. What is exactly component based? We will discuss it in our further tutorial. But for now, just remember that it is component based. So we will be concentrating on two types of components in React. First will be a class component. Basically, this is a stateful class components, which will occasionally receive properties from objects as props and return some JSX elements. So what is JSX? JSX is basically JavaScript XML. So I'll discuss everything in detail in the upcoming tutorials, but for now just remember that we have two types of components which we'll be using in React. Second one is stateless functional components. What is stateless, what is stateful? I'll discuss it in the upcoming tutorials, so don't worry if you don't understand. Basically, stateless functional components receive occasional properties and return some JSX. So I'll discuss everything. Don't worry if you don't understand. So let's not waste any time to know more theory. Let's get started with the practical work. So first of all, make sure that you have the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, it doesn't mean that you have to be expert, but I would suggest you to go through some good tutorials or maybe some online articles on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Just have a basic knowledge and make sure you are a little bit familiar with ES6. Okay, now what you need to do to create our first React app, you have to install Node.js. So basically, just go to your favorite browser and just type Node.js download. Okay, once you go there, you will be finding this first link from nodejs.org, and you can just download it. So I'm not going into the details of download or installation process. They're super easy. You can, if you are stuck, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help you out, or you may go to any other tutorials. That are really good tutorials are available online, and nice also there are nice articles also related to the installation processes. So you can go through that, and I hope you will not face any problem. If you are facing any kind of problems, you can just write down in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Okay, so this is the first step you need to do. You have to download Node.js with npm. Okay, then so first of all, you're having your Node.js and npm. Secondly, make sure you have a good editor. I would recommend you to download VS Code. If you don't have it, let me show how to download that. Just type VS Code download. Okay, because for this tutorial I'll be using VS Code. So this is the first link that you are going to be following. Okay, you can download it for your platform, and the installation process is again very easy. I'm not going to be wasting time on the installation processes, so you can do it of yourself. Okay, finally, just create a new folder. So basically, I'm just creating a new folder on my desktop. Let's just create it. Let's just write React app 1. Okay, I just named it as React app 1. You can name it whatever you wish to. Just create a new folder. Okay, now go to this new folder, and from here just type cmd. You can see that By doing so, we are just currently in this particular folder, and we are in the command prompt. Okay, so basically for creating our first React app, we'll be using create React app, and we'll be using this to create our first React app. So first of all, what you need to do is just write this command npm install. So make sure before writing this command you already have npm and node.js already installed on your machine. Okay, npm install space -g space create React app. Okay, so this will be the first step. Okay, once you do that, then only go to the next command. Since I have already installed create React app, so I'm not going to be executing this command. Since you are you are creating React app for the first time, so just write this command and press enter. Okay, next command what you need to follow is npx create React app. Using npx, I'm going to be creating my first React app. Just name this first React app. Okay, basically the name of my first React app is going to be this one. This is the name. You can just name it whatever you wish to, but note that you are not using any capital letters in this name. Okay, you have to use lowercase letters. Okay, so once done, you can just press enter. Once you press enter, you will find some installation processes going on. You have to wait for a few minutes. So you can see that this has already started installing some packages. It will take some couple of minutes, you have to wait for that. So I'll just return back once I have everything installed. Okay guys, now you can see that I have already created my first React app. So as you can see that after few minutes, basically this was my last command, and after this I just got this installed. Okay, so finally you can see this message happy hacking, so you can understand that it has been completed. Okay, so now we will go to our my first React app. So just go to this my first React app and press enter, then just type npm start. So this will basically create a development server and will redirect you to your browser. Okay, so it will also take a few minutes maybe. As you can see, it is starting the development server, and we are directed to the localhost 3000. Just straight it up. Yeah. Okay, so we got our first React app here without even writing a single line of code. We got our first React app. In the next video, I'll start working in this React app, so stay tuned for the next tutorial. Till then, don't forget to like this video if you learned at least something, and subscribe it for getting the next tutorials. Thank you so much. Stay safe.